left hand overhand, the right hand underhand. Now, we're gonna stall them both. They're both hitting the bottom of the turn at the same time. What I want you to do, you're gonna step your right foot forward as you stall, and you'll stall so that right one goes forward and the left one goes back. And then you should change direction. So your left should be underhand and your right should be overhand. Then you stall the left one forward and the right one back. So the left is overhand, right is underhand. Stall the right one forward, the left one back. And what you do is you step forward with the foot that's stalling forward, which is the hand that's underhand. So if you're with me right now, my left hand is underhand, my right hand is overhand. That means I'll step forward with my left foot, 5, 6, 7, and stall and change direction. So stall back, pull up and underhand, and immediately stall front, and pull up and stall back, and immediately stall front after you pull up, and then stall back and circle and stall forward and circle and stall back and circle and stall front and circle, slow down, stall back, slow down, stall front, circle, slow back, make the circle bigger so that you have more time, and stall back, big circle, stall front, big circle, stall back, big circle, stall front, big circle, stall back. So we're in overhand, 5, 6, slow, 5, 6, 7, and stall back, circle, and stall front, circle, stall back, single circle, stall front, circle, stall back, circle, stall front, circle, stall back, circle, stall front, circle, stall back, circle, stall front, circle, back, circle, stall front, circle, stall back, circle. Let's start an overhand again and slow. 5, 6, 7, and stall back, circle, stall front, circle, stall back, circle, stall front, circle, stall back, circle, stall front, circle, stall back, circle, stall front, circle. 5 more sets, go back and front, circle. 4 more and front. 3 more sets, back, then front. 2 more sets, back, then front. Last set, go back, then front. Let's start again with overhand and 5, 6, 7, and stall back, underhand, stall front, and stall back, and stall front, and stall back, and stall front, and stall back, and stall front. 5 more sets, back, circle, front, and 4 more and front, and 3 more, back and front, 2 more, back and front. Your left is an overhand, your right is an underhand. You just do, whenever you're ready, you count off yourself, 5, 6, 7. My right will go forward, left will go back, and then I change direction and I'm back to the circle, then hold the circle. 5, 6, 7. Right goes back, left goes front, and change direction. 5, 6, 7. Right, front, left, back, and change direction. 5, 6, 7. Right goes back, left goes front, change, and 5, 6, 7. And if that starts to feel comfortable where you can do these extra circles in the middle and then stall, reduce the number of circles. So go down to 1, 2, and stall. 1, 2, and stall. 1, 2, and stall. And if you can get it where you're doing 1 circle, 1 stall, all the better. But for now, it's just being able to get the sense of the motion of how it is when one goes one way and the other goes the other way.